Today I'm making French.
Okay, now today I'm making French toast roll-ups. Start taking the crust off. We don't need these. Let's flatten these. This looks good. Time for peanut butter, everybody. Time to roll out. Start by cracking the egg, vanilla extract, a teaspoon, and then start pouring some milk, quarter cup of it. Then we're gonna mix it. And now we're good. So now we're gonna start turning in your stove to medium low. And then grab 2 slivers of butter and put it into the pan gently. Now we're gonna grab our French toast roll-up and put it into the liquid that we made earlier. Then we're gonna put it into the pan, grab another one, do the same thing over and over until you're done. Then put this one into the pan too. We're just trying to get some color on them. We're putting our French toast roll-ups in a mix of cinnamon and sugar. Dump them all gently in. Put the lid on and shake. I can't wait to eat my French toast roll-ups. I've been waiting. It looks so good. A drizzle of maple syrup. Next, I'm gonna put a bit more of the cinnamon mix. It's gonna taste so good. Oh my God. 10 out of 10. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know how I did on my French toast roll-ups. This is fun.